Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be giving you my first impressions of the OPPO Find X6 Pro. If you're new to my channel and you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get straight into the video. The OPPO Find X6 Pro has a 6.82 inch AMOLED display with LTPO3, which stands for low temperature polycrystalline oxide, which provides a faster refresh rate without draining the battery. The display also has a 120Hz variable refresh rate, max resolution of 3168 by 1440p, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and maximum peak brightness of 2500 nits and weighs roughly 218 grams. The CPU powering the X6 Pro is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with the Adreno 740 GPU, 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, 256 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 storage, Android 13 with OPPO's Color OS 13.1 running on top. The phone is also IP68 dust and water resistant. The OPPO Find X6 Pro has a very large circular camera array with triple cameras, which follows the trend of flagship phones. Each camera is 50 megapixels, all with Sony sensors and optical image stabilization. Recording mode supports 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 60 and 240 frames per second, electronic image stabilizer, HDR, 10-bit video and Dolby Vision. There are numerous capture modes such as panorama, Hasselblad color, calibration, night shooting, pro mode and portrait. The selfie camera is 32 megapixels, records at 4K 30 frames per second, supports electronic image stabilization and also features a lot of different capture modes. The X6 Pro has a 5000 milliamp battery, which a 10-minute charge will give you 45 minutes and 30-minute charge will give you 100% using the included 100-watt wide fast charger. 50-watt wireless charging will give you 50% in 22 minutes and 100% in 51 minutes. So after using this phone for the past week or so, I quickly forgot about the huge circular camera array on the back of the phone. It feels comfortable to hold, due in part to the curved display and the fake leather on the back. I'm very impressed with the display. The 120Hz variable refresh rate works really well. Browsing websites, watching videos or mobile gaming looks, feels and performs great. While gaming, if you swipe from left to right, the display brings up an additional menu which shows the FPS, ping rate, option for low power, balanced and gaming modes and other quick access features. The screen handles bright light really well. OPPO's color platform feels snappy, has lots of customization features like the ability to access quick functions, and having the Play Store on the phone gives access to thousands of apps. I am very impressed with all the cameras. The image video quality, colors and the details look fantastic. The bokeh effect when taking photos with portrait mode looks great and can be adjusted after you've taken the picture. There are so many capture modes and customization options available. The Hasselblad Pro mode lets you control the ISO, which is the sensor for light sensitivity, white balance, focus and shutter speeds. There is a 120 times digital zoom that you can use for extreme close-up shots. The battery life on the X6 Pro is fantastic. It easily saw me through the day, and depending on what I was doing on the phone, didn't need a charge for almost 2 days. With the 100-watt wide charger included, recharging from 0 to 100 only took 30 minutes, which is incredible. Oh, and a 10-watt reverse charging is supported, which means that I could charge my earbuds case if I needed. So if you're interested in picking up the OPPO Find X6 Pro, unfortunately Oppo hasn't announced a release date for the rest of the world at the time of this recording, and it's China only. But you can purchase it from AliExpress, which has different ranges of prices. Overall, Oppo has produced a very good flagship phone packed with technology, good design, excellent cameras and battery life. So that is the video, guys. Big thanks if you made it all the way to the end. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the X6 Pro. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. A like is always appreciated, and I'll see you all in the next video.